Hey, it's Paul Zwiebin of the Zwiebin team of Douglas Elliman. Happy Saturday. So, 2007 was the year that I made a career change. I was 42 years old. I left the restaurant business. Was in that business for 31 years, owned 8 restaurants, was a chef.
Daddy,
And
no one's gonna listen.
what did you just say?
No one's gonna listen.
No one's going to listen. Thanks, Olivia. Well, let's see what happens there. So happy that I have family that support me. Anyway, so 2007, I made the career change, and it was a crazy market. My wife had a new listing on 90th Street between Broadway and West End in a condo on the south side of the street, and I was going to be, the second person in that one-bedroom open house. Carolyn basically was like, look, if you don't know an answer, don't answer it. Just say you'll find out the answer. But show people around, blah, blah, blah. The place was packed. And I was overwhelmed, but I kept my cool. And a woman comes up to me and says, can I use the bathroom? And I'm like, I guess. I didn't know what to say. There were like 50 people in this one-bedroom apartment. So the woman goes in, and I think nothing of it. She locks the door, and it's busy, and it's like now 20 minutes later, and all of a sudden she opens the door and leaves and says, thank you so much. So the open house ends, and I go to shut everything off, and I go into the bathroom. I don't know how to put this in, like, political warmth. She dropped the kids off at the pool, and she didn't flush the pool. She pooped, and she didn't flush. And I was like, oh my God. So I flushed, we left the apartment, we sold it for a lot of money. But the next day, I'm at Equinox at like 5:30 in the morning, stretching for my spin class with all the spin sisters. We can talk about that another time. And I'm telling them about this woman, AKA the pooper. And as I'm telling the story, as I'm saying, AKA the pooper walks up the stairs and walks right past me. I almost pooped in my pants. That's the story. It's just craziness in New York City real estate. Bye.